Hello friends, let's try this 20 grammar quiz. First question is, hello, what your name? Four options are there and you have to choose the right one. Is the right one. Second question, name is Ram and my dash is Om. You have to choose the correct option within 10 seconds. The correct answer is my and surname. Third question, my name is Sita dash Sita Singh. My name is Sita. I am Sita Singh. Are you from Japan? Correct answer is where are you from? Japan. Next question, where dash you dash? And the correct answer is option number D. Where are you from? Where are you from? Next question, what dash their dash? Choose the correct one. What are their names? What are their names? Lisa and Max are Americans from USA. Choose the correct answer. This is elementary level grammar question set. They are from USA. I dash 20 years old, but Bhim dash 12. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is C. I am 22 years old, but Bhim is 12. Oxford is dash English University. Correct answer is option number A. Oxford is an English university. Next question. Toyota's dash Japanese dash. Choose the correct answer. Toyotas are Japanese cars. Toyotas are Japanese cars. Next question. What is dash? She is a bank manager. What is her job? She is a bank manager. How old is your aunt? Dash is 34. How old is your aunt? Option number A, C. She is 34. Next question. This dash my friend dash name is Ganesh. Correct answer is option number C. This is my friend. His name is Ganesh. We dash students. Choose the correct one. Option C is correct. We are students. We are students. C dash Italy. Choose the right option from the given below. C is from Italy. Option C is correct. C is from Italy. Let's move to the another question. He is teacher. There are four options and you have to choose the correct one. If there is no change is required, option asterisks are. So here option A is correct. What is this dash English? Four options are there. Choose the correct one. What is this? Option B. What is this in English? What is this in English? Champagne is dash French drink. Option A is the correct answer. Champagne is a French drink. Champagne is a French drink. Next is it is dash green apple. It is green apple. Option A is correct. It is a green apple. It is a green apple. Last question. English is dash international language. Option B. English is an international language. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.